Bwomogusi. Wirire biyo mwancho mwarire bageta sene Kyandizi TV nechinga kichinde to kumerana ase meo irionkomanye ayabereka wateka ase omubaso orero editerane Dorcas Kimuma nani gocheragire chinsa isano nebere chabono mubaso chitariki ne 24 motinyi ogatano narimo mwaka bwechirwe 2024 nani gotrachi kubatrana nere sara momanye oyokene kingama rigene chibicha agwikire asenchera yobwikano okonyo na bogoto bwati awetera asenchera ye mitandao asensemo ya Facebook watonyara buna Ndizi TV News Digital weka YouTube no terebuna Ndizi TV News na boigo ase website tonyara buna www.ndizitv.net. Na kwariganirie tunyamanya senchira yowenge abonjuri abechiro ya daraja mbili yogotoka miye county ya Kisii nigo ababukano mwichano maiga abanyora ebibanda byabo byagire gose byabete bikoye abugoro obotuko asebono omuriro obete kogotubuka ase egento gyagerete omuriro yo gotubuka gitaramanyikana ogoikera aboniga nigo abobisa bogosegasigera mebasokano miye county ya Kisii batemete goika ase echireyo eriokorimia omuriro yo ase kurende bayanyorete nga yasambire ose nibo enyinge yasambire ase echiro eyo nigo abanchoria bono baborire serikali kobaikanya eriokubasira eriogochaka aboye ase basiritie enibo yabo yechibesa chinyinge ase bono baganire serikali county ya Kisii kobasira eriokoene kingango chakabare ebiasara byabo eriokoene kinga abachire motwe ni gobono boigo botukibwa chakiwe eli kumanya ninkikirete omuriro yogo tuboka ase echire yo na gosamba ebibanda bya abaonchureria abo.
Italiane ingo kusabate umbasambe nimbwate ke usikie byumba cyane atara mbili ahanga no musigiti lakini bono ene sabari yakabere mwako turaera na ene mwako na sabi bono ngakingo korata tabatari ami ndo mutagonkonya serikali tagonkonya
Samaria tangoro ku Daniel eno munya biashara aga daraja twaberere gase myake minga kini tuwetere mechandere menge nyomba cyaba togo chiko chaka toko imoka twasaba chiro ntoko beka akaigo twasambere nentunda yakabere twasambere ando mulero yo sambe tumapema saa 3
no tomanyete aiga se daraja echiro gaiga ebinto bieto no tobegete gaiga butambe one iri arenge ritukorie echiro akaro twaoniri totaite kosoka twaenda akaro twekire nyumba tumana koiguna muliro soire iga daraja gaiga twabere tokoyiye yeruenga kientambe titwana korora bokonye
ne binte biyete na ebinto bono byayire serikali koranje ingilia katikati usaidia wa mama wenye wako daraja bako erigeri ebinto gakibya salikire ne binge
abere togo sabunya mboto chambire mutuka mange emili yakabere tuwa togo chana sana no ishiro ntwe mugeti twasinje gwakana ase jo ninki toko tweka twasibeka ade twayorwa kaki ese gategete kange twagate buye tutabingi kigenderete ose twagate beta konye
nabanya byasara baminto bonsi bakoye nabana babo bakolera sengenjo babwati kenda kere bagocha abayuri bagocha bosa ga kisimbarat dora otorolera ndwa mabera egere bide bibirane nabali baito bakore byasaraga banyona barokende batamere nyumba.
Tugutigana nayo na gosika motugoika ase kaunti ya Nyamira ase egekore kyogwichane kyabete keokarekana ase amate ya mukuru ase kinyoro kya karantini imeye wodi ya Gesima mambi alero nigo babuka na wakwa no mwichano munene maiga yokonyora eng'ombe yaboge kenyire goika amara gosoka isiko konengana ne amate ya Nyamari onsare nigo eng'ombe eyo yarenge ya sagare sebono yabe ke gokorerwa ebikore bitari ebya butambe sebono amateyo yaganirie onde bwensi bamocherete gocha amo na gosonsarana asekirini gobono babere bakwerera ebikone ebinge
na mandia gogo chigo kikia nge saa 12 omwana muka mumurogo cyo gondoro gonde mama boka na nyorire ng'ombe teribweri ona bokire nkame na nyorire ng'ombe teribweri wana rinko boka tuguchaka kuribia ng'ombe umwana nanyora umwana umumuraga akarero gochese nigetemete no ateneine no atakonyore ng'ombe iyi ugo twakere simya gonde mama ng'ombe twanye na nyorero chagebetire meju aki uyu mwana oyagoserete gekoge umwana oyo okoreirwe bituka sama tukamange chimbori gagorete chigachaka gukwana chikuminyokia abantu chikuria abantu chinge bibenge aye akaera omwana agaiterwe ng'ombe yarenge ntangani aye akaera abana batari aria nona amanoga goikera bone ng'ombe ye no mwana ominto moete ng'ombe ye sagari ng'ombe yakonyira abana yakiniria abana lakini ng'ombe yaretira mang'ana amange agokwa ng'omwana oyakoirerwa amang'ana ng'ae ng'ombe gechandegete aba bonsi bagendete koira amang'ana ese omwana oyo rito kaserinde goikera rito koriarere ng'ombe yatukire kebetire meye na moche motebe mwana ya madeni abwata ino gakina bona ari gwe sacrifice nkonye agera umwana onera atware etugo erenda abana baye gakiwa komoranche kenyoro ekenegente kebe mogikerie umwana oyo nera atware etugo ekurenda abana baye oyore goitwa ekige mwana egesinye tugoikereta gekeye nasiri kumanyanga no mwana oyore gokwa gose ne ng'ombe yabwate mechande esabantu abare gokorera abantu abo ng'ombe yitubanye bugati andenda kwana gwikira bugaki kenyoro musa to tigana nayo yogo ichane na gosika motwikase county ya Kisii nigo morobiri obogo sangereria ebirengererio kweri chiko ryo kurenda abagotu ryo mwaka o 2024 nigo korekana ime ye county ya Kisii asamaga cho ya egekoro ose culture hall aso morobiri yo obete gukwareganiwa ne serikali amona babwatani bande asekerenge kinene kyarenge kyo gusangereria ebirengererio korwa ase abakenya elio kumanya ina kibabwenete ko ikirani irichiko elio ryabakoro ase ose ryabagotu ase nseto ya Kenya anyuma irichikiri uditaraikwa bosyo bwebunge
Eliatele nego Lisa Mogaka mo secretary we directorate ya social development assisted department ya social protection and senior citizen affairs ere tugato moyega Kenya ngima asichinse mo ikomi awao chioko tabia abana inji goro ye irichiko tagete kaleta tikolenda bagaka korku the older persons bill 2024 lichikeli tateli lietiguna na serikali egere serikali enene that's the national government the county government banyale gutwara chinguru chiokolenda bagaka ande gwakikishanga lichikeli lyabalendire.
My name is Jude Otogo. I represent Ethel Foundation for the Aged. I want to begin by thanking the government, represented here by the Secretary, Mr. Mogaka, for taking the initiative to put in place specific legislation to address issues affecting older persons in this country. Specifically, it's an opportunity for me to speak to the older persons about their rights, sensitize them about what their rights are, and of course encourage them to give very open suggestions, since this is the only opportunity that older persons have to articulate issues that they would like to see captured in that bill.
Njasa Marieta Nkuru kwa Helen Kiriama kurwa tabaka ase kiombege kurukwanga tabaka wodi uongozi wa Hutu ekiombe kioge kwigirira bwene bwa mwanya bantu na maene una twasomeri twararinga ningiyere onye ndiya nyarekana ekereko cha kugenda parliament etigwe eberi chiko ekogera twarorira abantu baita bagotu baguchandika bona gaturigetie nga ekero riraete twegenire nga nonye ni ntwega turigerere tigo chiobogotu bona gaturiti customer chia gochiobogotu na boturare ndwe gwetera richika ekero riraete rikorinda abantu abaiga
tugutigana nayo nigo mokonyi bumurayo bwense Rigathi Gachagua akorete egeikaro achinga kiomerente amona barai ba Kenya korende bari chinse cha Michael ase ense ya South Africa ase bono babete bakora egeikaro chinga kichige kare kyo nigo Gachagua aborete aba Kenya abo kwene kinga ngo imokeria bari goro eritarense to ya Kenya na boigo kubasaba kogendera ko etoma ase emeremo yabo babeire bagokora emia ase ense yo na boigo gocha aiga Kenya chinga kecho boigo niga baborete kwene kinga nkone bari ase getige chindege cha Kenya Airways ase kirini go getekyo chikyaberege kurwa abakoreri obuya gocha ase aba Kenya amo nabantu bonse.
I want to encourage you to continue working here. I'm very happy that our name is good, the way you have said. Protect our name. And you are our ambassadors. Yeah, she's ambassador number one. All of you are other ambassadors. Yeah, so that you carry our name high. And let our people be of good behavior. Let them have a good reputation. Let them be welcome in this country so that people know Kenyan people are good people. And of course, keep our work ethics good because we are, honored across the world as good workers. Our people work very hard. Very hard workers. Yeah, very hard working. And I want to encourage you. And please say hi to your families and to your members when you meet them. I'll be back. We'll arrange when I come. I came in a hurry because the inauguration is a 3-day affair. Next time I come, I would like to have dinner with the diaspora fraternity, with our peers for diaspora, Roslyn Jogu, so that now we have dinner with Kenyans and we listen to them. I've done that wherever I go, and those engagements are very enriching to us as leaders because we are able first and foremost to know how are they working with our mission. Are they happy? Are they okay? That is one thing we like establishing. Number two, we listen to them. What do they think we can do to make their stay more comfortable? Again, how do we encourage our Kenyans to increase their remittances back home? We are really marketing Kenya Airways ourselves. Myself and the president, we are marketing our airline by always traveling with them now. The CEO escorted me and we agreed we are going to have a chat. I will take up this matter. I will say I was in South Africa and I've had a discussion with our people, Kenyan living there. This is their concern. Your tickets are very high compared to Ethiopian Airlines.
Chinga kecho waigo nigo Gachagua ababoretie kwene kinga nkorigeria bare echiro abarimi benseto ya Kenya nene abarimi beke merige chae amona kirige kawa egati yebimeri bende ase chinse cho chamaiko asekiri atebetemna nigo ebimeri benseto ya Kenya nigo bebwate obuya obonge na boigo nigo ebiya kegima asebono ababoretie kwene kinga nkorigeria bare echiro ase chinse cho bare.
Can you be competitive? I would like you to really think about how we can market our coffee and tea here. Because we've got good coffee. Yeah? You guys, as business people here, think how you can import the beans and then you can roast them here and package them here. It's something that we can always work together. Multiple entries instead of having just a single as a visitor. It should be multiple so that you are able to come in and out because of biashara. The issues, of course, of children born here. Let the Balos start working on it. Look at the South African law and look at the reality and advance an argument why those children should be automatically, once they have a birth certificate that they were born here, automatically they should be South Africans. Again, we have the issue of school fees for Kenyan children who are charged very highly because they are deemed to be foreigners, and you like them to be included in a HELB program. That is something I'm going to take up with the Minister of Education and with the President. On the issue of the boarded warehouse, further to the discussion that you had with the CS Moses Kuria, I'm going to do some follow-up with the CS Rebecca Miano to find out what happened. And I think this is something that is very desirable because people want to buy in bulk. So if we can get a boarded warehouse where Kenyans of all walks of life can bring their goods, I think you guys who are here can market our product. And we have got good products. Kenyan coffee, Kenyan tea, Kenyan avocado, our macadamia. You know, we have good products. So that one I'm going to take it up.
Waziri Boborendi Adani Dware ni gobono aina kiria bakenya buna nigo barachi kwene kingango tinya bare oborendi ase chikona chonsi emergency to ya Kenya kagokwana chinga kyaringe somo yega boko bekera egutwa ase abarko abe University ya Garissa nigo Dware atebetamna nigo barachi kwene kinga basaria tibaligo cha weka anye aba Kenya anene ase chinsamo chiri chabere chigosaganwa ase nseto ya Kenya.
As the Minister for Defense, Your Excellency, I want to assure you on behalf of the men and women in the security sector, both internal and external KDF, that we will not give an opportunity to the forces of terror and evil to come near our citizens and more so near our universities and colleges, where young people are promising young people.
Mwancho murigeria iganongo ikera mwairi wa mangana ya senchera yuwenge tumerane chikoraga chinsa ikomi nkumanyevu na gendete wateka asenseto ya Kenya ereteriane Dorcas kemomana nigoto watrana nere Sara momanye oyoro kwene kingamarigi nechibicha awekire asenchera yuwekerno twara oborigeria obyemeyandizi TV na bobwansu obwomuse.